Welcome back to Adam's DIY universe, and today we're going to be mixing up weed killer in the kitchen. That may seem a little unusual, but we're just going to use basic household items that you can find in your kitchen. And one of those items is vinegar, the second is salt, and the third and final is dish soap or dish liquid. We're going to be making about 500 mils, just enough to spray around the cobblestones outside on our patio. Now, in any given mixture, I've worked out you need 64 parts vinegar, 8 parts salt, and 1 part dishwash liquid. So I've times these out by 7 so that I can make roughly 500 mils in metric terms. 64 times 7 is 448 mils, 8 times 7 is 56 mils, and 1 times 7 is 7. So I've got roughly 448 mils of vinegar, roughly 56 mils of salt, and roughly 7 mils of dishwashing liquid, and I am going to put that into this container, give it a mix, and we'll see how it works. I've mixed up my vinegar, salt and dish soap, and I've marked out a little area, and I'm going to spray my mixture into that area, and we can come back to it and see how well it works. So I'm just going to spray this now. That little rectangular area is well sprayed now, so we will just sit back and wait and see what happens. Just coming back a few hours on here to have a look. And if we look closely, we can see that those weeds look decidedly unhealthy, and even the moss is turning a sort of an orangey colour, which indicates it's dying off. It's a nice dry day here and the sun's out, so it's an excellent day for this kind of experiment. It's winter here. Usually even spring or summer would be better, so I would say that this mixture is very successful. It's accessible, and it's probably a little bit better for your property than some of the weed killers that you would get from the hardware store. So all in all, very successful. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and follow along for more tips and tricks around the house, garage and garden. Thanks for watching.